Jai Hind, I am Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the question answer of the unit Waste Management Story. This video is for class 7 Science. So first type question is choose the correct answer. So here 4 options are there. Among them, one is correct. So we have to identify the correct answer. So first question is what is the main purpose of a waste management treatment wastewater treatment plant? The options are generate electricity, B is remove impurities from sewage, C is increase water flow, and the D is produce heavy metals. The correct answer of the question is uh, to improve impurities from sewage. The spelling is wrong here, no problem. Now the next second question is which of the following is an example of an organic impurity in sewage? Among these 4 options are here that nitrates, oxygen and grease, heavy oil and grease, heavy metals and phosphate. The B is a correct option, that is oil and grease. Now the third number question is what is the first step in a wastewater treatment process? The options are tertiary improvement, second is aeration, and the C is preliminary treatment, and the D is sedimentation. The correct answer is preliminary treatments. The next question is what disease is commonly caused by the drinking untreated water? The options are thyroid, typhoid, diabetes, malaria, and hypertension. The correct answer is typhoid is a correct answer. Now the next question is which practice help reduce blockage in sewage system? Among these 4 options, the B is a correct option. The correct option is proper waste segregation and disposals. Now the next type question is fill in the blanks. So we have to put the particular word in the fill in the blanks. I have already written the answer. So you should look. The first is sewage is a mixture of wastewater from home, industries and hospitals. Now the next question is in wastewater treatment plant, the preliminary treatment involves in removal of large debris. The third number question is the spread of disease like cholera and typhoid can be prevented by maintaining good sanitation. So here it will be sanitation. Now the next is the presence of nitrate in water can cause blue baby syndromes in infants. Now the next is a manhole helps in accessing underground sewers for cleaning and maintenance. Now next type question is true and false. So you have to find out which statements is true and false. The first statement is sewage includes only water from households. No, false. The next question is bacteria in sewage can cause waterborne diseases. Yes, true. This is true. The next is untreated wastewater improves the quality of river and lakes. No, this is false. The next is proper sanitation prevents vector-borne diseases like dengue. Yes, this is true. So now the next type question is define the following terms. Here terms are there and we have to define the term. We have to give the proper definition. First is sewage. The first point is wastewater that comes from homes, industries and hospital. Second point is it contains dirty waters, human waste and food practices, soap and chemicals. Now the next question term is wastewater treatment plant, WWTP. So the first point is a place where sewage is cleaned to remove harmful substances. Second point is it makes water safe to return to nature. The next term is organic impurities. The first point is impurity that comes from living things like food, waste, oil and human wastage. These are organic impurities. Now is sanitation. Next term is sanitation. See the keeping surroundings clean and free from disease causing germs, that is sanitation. Second point is it includes proper sewage disposal and clean water supply. The next term is manhole. A covered opening on a road that gives access to groundwater sewer pipes for cleaning and repair. Now the next type of question is match the correct options. There are two columns are here, one column A and column B are here. In the column B I have written the correct answer. So see, the first is sewage. The it would be A, include bacteria, virus and protozoa. And the preliminary treatment, that is removal of large debris. Next, secondary treatment, that is breakdown of the organic impurities. And the next is tertiary treatment, that is advanced filtration and pathogen removal. Next is better housekeeping practice, reduces backlogs in sewers. These are the option A, B, C, D. The correct match are here. So next type question is give the reason for the following sentence statement. The statements are here and we have to give the proper reason. The first statement is proper wastewater treatment reduces the spread of waterborne diseases. The reason is because it removes harmful germs and chemical from dirt water. The next statement is regular maintenance of sewage system prevents environmental pollution. The reason is it stops sewage from leaking into the soil and water bodies. The next statement is manholes are necessary for inspecting underground sewers. The reason is they can help workers enter and clean the sewer pipes. The next statement is poor sanitation increases the risk of vector-borne diseases. The reason is dirty water and waste attracts mosquitoes and flies, which spreads diseases. The next statement is nitrate in sewage can contaminate drinking water, causing health risk. The reason is high nitrate level is in water can make babies sick, blue baby syndromes. That is the next question is answer in brief. The questions are here and we have to give the answer in brief. In short answer we have to give. The first question is what are the main components of sewage? The main components of sewage is dirty water, food wastage, soap, oil, human waste, germs and chemicals. Next question is how does a wastewater treatment plant clean sewage? The answer is it removes large wastes, break down organic materials and kill germs. The next question is why is it important to maintain a clean and functional sewage system? The answer is to prevent diseases, bad smells and pollution of the environment. The next question is what is the main role of better housekeeping practice in sanitations? The answer is it helps in reducing waste, keeping drain clean and avoid blockage. The next question is how does untreated sewage affect aquatic life? The answer is it reduces oxygen in water and kills fish and other water animals. Now next type question is answer in detail. So questions are here, we have to give the answer in detail. The first question is describe the stages of a wastewater treatment plant from preliminary to tertiary treatment. See, the first is preliminary treatments. It removes the large items like plastic and rags using screens. Now the next is primary treatment. It allows heavy particles to settle at the bottoms. The next is secondary treatment. It uses bacteria to break down organic wastes. The next is tertiary treatment. It filters water and removes remaining harmful germs and chemicals. Now the next question is explain the role of better housekeeping practice in reducing sewage related issues. The answer is first point avoid pouring oil and food wastage into the drain. Second point is dispose of plastic and garbage in dustbin, not in toilet or drains. Third point is this prevents drain blockage and keeps sewage systems well. Now the next question is discuss the health hazard caused by poor sanitation and how to prevent them. The answer is first point is hazard, what is the diarrhea, cholera, typhoid and mosquito-borne diseases. Second, prevention, clean toilet, safe disposal of waste, clean water and public awareness. These are the important for prevention. Now the next question is Next, and I think it's the last question. Question is, describe the composition of sewage and explain how its components impact the environment. The first point is organic waste. It reduces oxygen in water and harming aquatic life. Those animals living in water, they are harming them. The next is germs. It spreads diseases like cholera and typhoid. The next is chemicals. It is poison water and soil. The next is solids, block drain and cause floods. With this end, if you have any queries or suggestion, you can give in comment box. I would try to give the answer as soon as possible. With this end, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.